Hi, this is Alex Pault, and I'm here at the Embedded World Show with Tom Pinnell. He's with Silicon Labs. So, hey, Tom, how's it going?
It's going great. Having a good time at the show.
Well, this is a really big show. I mean, the Embedded World, we're really building the future as we're going here. I mean, all of the next generation of everything is here, and well, you're a big part of it, aren't you?
Absolutely. We've got all the next generation IoT radios, including Wi-Fi, mesh, Bluetooth, and proprietary.
Well, you know, and that's the important thing, right? Because the cloud exists, and we've got all of these devices, and some have proprietary systems, like a garage door opener. Some of them are proprietary because the company wanted to do something special, but all of these devices, in order to have a truly smart environment, they have to communicate with each other, they have to work seamlessly. You know, you can have anything you want on the inside of the box, but it has to talk to the rest of the world on the outside.
Absolutely. Connecting your things to the internet is what we do, and we have a lot of different technologies that enable that.
Very cool. Let's take a look at some of them.
Great.
So, here we are, Tom, looking at this. Now, earlier we had talked about that aspect is you can have a smart home, but if you've got a garage door opener, it doesn't talk to the smart home controller. If you've got, you know, maybe you have a smart thermostat from a previous technology, there are a lot of proprietary wireless systems, and to tie them all together, you got to tie them together somehow.
Absolutely. Our wireless Gecko platform allows you to use proprietary and Bluetooth on a single chip. So what's amazing about that is if you have a garage door opener or a sub-gigahertz home automation or even a metering application that uses sub-gigahertz, you can now tie that into your phone. And so in this example, we're communicating to this board via Bluetooth, so you can see this light going on. Also, over a sub-gigahertz connection as well, you can do the same thing. So you can turn the light on, you can turn the light off via the sub-gigahertz network. So this is one chip operating two protocols at two different frequencies.
Very cool, Tom. Well, and then that's the point, isn't it? Because if you're going to have an integrated home, you have to integrate all the devices, not just the ones that are the proprietary for that brand. It has to be an agnostic system.
Absolutely. Customers want a seamless experience across all of their devices, and the wireless Gecko platform allows that.
Very cool. And what about security?
Security is a really important element. We have hardware acceleration built into these devices that either the Bluetooth standard or the proprietary standards will use. So things like AES, key storage and encryption are things that we're doing today.
Very nice, Tom. So let's take a look at the next demonstration. So here's the next demo. We've got this ubiquitous IoT connectivity, but this goes back to what we were saying, Tom, is you got to connect everything.
Absolutely. Everything has a phone, and Bluetooth enables that connectivity to your phone. So in this particular demonstration, we're talking about Bluetooth 5. So Bluetooth 5 allows you to go longer range. It also allows for faster data throughput with the 2 megabit PHY. So that is what we're showing here. We're also showing sensor to cloud connectivity here using our Thunderboard Sense. And then lastly, our Bluetooth mesh solution. So Silicon Labs is a leader in mesh. We are a leader in Zigbee, Thread, and now in Bluetooth mesh. We're the first to market with a Bluetooth mesh solution, and here we're demonstrating our Bluetooth mesh capabilities, as well as our software, tools, all running on the wireless Gecko platform.
Very nice. Well, it comes back to what we were saying in the beginning. You have to, to be truly ubiquitous, it has to be functional, multi-protocol, low power, and widespread.
Secure.
Hey, there you go.
And secure, exactly.
And that's the beautiful thing about all of this, is that you're providing a solution that'll do what the engineer wants, and it'll keep them safe.
Absolutely.
So Tom, we're here at your Wi-Fi demo, but who's this gentleman here?
This is Sid Sundar. He's the senior product manager for our Wi-Fi products.
Pleasure to meet you, Sid.
Same here.
So tell us about this demonstration.
So right here we have our newest WFX200 devices, and this demo is showing its power performance being compared to that of a leading Wi-Fi solution provider today. And right here we see the device in 3 different modes. You see the device transmitting some data, you see the devices receiving some data, and you see the devices in sleep. And as you can see here, in all 3 of these modes, we have between a 40% advantage to a nearly 10x advantage. So while maintaining good throughput. So putting all that together, we can cut power consumption for many solutions by 50% or more for wireless.
That's a big thing, Sid. I mean, when you think about a lot of these applications, they're untethered and have to run off of batteries, or maybe they have a very small power supply. The lower they can run, the better it is. You have more energy budget for the rest of your system.
Absolutely. Our goal is to take systems that ran for days to weeks and over time move them to be able to run from weeks to months to eventually years. So.
Very cool, very, very cool. So, and is there anything else you wanted to tell us about, like this? Well, I noticed it says the security.
Absolutely. We designed this with comprehensive security in mind, so it has special features that protect information like your network SSID and password more securely and really prevents hackers from breaking into your device and your networks. Physical security is very important in the IoT world, and we've put a lot of emphasis to make sure our customers don't have to worry about it. We worry about it.
Very nice. Thanks for taking the time, especially at a busy show like this.
My pleasure. Thank you, Alex.